everyone, today I have another large package of stuff here for you guys. This is a package that has a mixture of stuff in it though. It's not just cars. I think it's actually mostly cars, but the next one's gonna be mostly just mixed stuff. Like Happy Meal toys and cars, but this one has some, but not many. So let me get this open for you guys. Let me see what's in here. This is going to be very, very interesting opening this up, seeing what's in this box here, seeing what's in this package. I mean, it's all kinds of interesting stuff. Hopefully is in here. Let's see. If I can get it open. Shouldn't be too hard. Stuff back here. You can kind of already see what's in here just by I'm trying to go slow. This came very late. The mail was late today. But I was lucky because now I have more time to do the video for you guys. Alright, let me get this now. He taped this up real good. Let me get these out of here. Let me start with the first one. What am I going to start with here? The first one is the Phaeton, which is the 1999 first editions. This is the Phaeton. It's on a good card, too. Let me get this open. I'm going to open all these on camera since I have some time available to do that now. This is the Phaeton. It's a really nice casting. It's from the late 90s. Now we have the Groundbreaker. This is a 2026 Matchbox. This is brand new. This is not old. This is not vintage. Not in any way, shape, or form. That looks good. We have the MBX Gritter King. Now, again, this is another 2026 small. Seems like the package is a little wet. I'm wondering if it got water damage inside. Yeah, it seems like it's a little bit water damaged, to be honest. Just because based on feeling what the package feels like. It feels like maybe it got damaged by water. But alright, we're not going to save that. This is nice. It's a Gritter King, as they call it. So, put that right here. Then we have the Turbo Lens. This is the 1999 first editions. Let me get this one open for you guys. Wow, actually, that was interesting. Oh, that's cracked. That's funny. That's really funny, but I have to be careful because I can cut myself. That's really funny how the blister is cracked right there. That must have been a really frail blister. That's pretty cool, this car. The Turbo Lens. I like this one. Now, what else do we have? We have the Rally Baja Crawler for 2021. I don't typically buy these, but I did with this one. Then we have the Shadow MK2A. Get this open. This is another nice car. Now we have the Tipper. Now I'm going to keep this in the package. I bought this by mistake. I didn't realize I had it, so I'm going to keep that in the box. I'm not going to open that. I actually kind of want an extra of that. Then we have the funny car here. This is a race team. The bubble's cracked on this one too. This is a very bad condition bubble, so I'm going to open this one up because this is a very bad shape. It's kind of falling apart in my hand. It's a nice looking car though. It's not bad. Now I'm going to come back for a part 2 of this. I got to answer a text real quick.